Hello everybody, Dave Shopius here. If you have been watching my past videos of rebuilding this mighty beast, the old B9 robot that I got from a friend up north, asked me to put it together for him, do some upgrades. You can go back and look at other videos I've done on this if you haven't. So I am on my last legs, or should I say arms. I've got pretty much everything done on this robot except for the arms. I've got to rebuild the arms, pretty much redesign. This is what came with him. You can see it's pretty beat. It's really not very sturdy, and just things have been screwed together with a few bolts here and there, and an idea of actuation. Nothing really thought through very well as far as longevity or operation. And that's the way it is sometimes. People just don't, there's some people that just can't figure out how to do it. So anyway, that's what I'm here for. I have some plans for this. I've got some parts ordered and a design in the way. This will all be replaced. Nothing here is usable. I don't even know if that servo works or not there. It may or may not, but if it is, it may be on its last leg. So that's going to be replaced. The only thing we're going to be using is this wrist and the claws. So everything else will be replaced and rebuilt, and we'll have really nice actuation and support through here, and it'll be able to go in and out of the torso holes down there. So it looks like a big task, but I'm looking forward to it. There's some damage here from the prior build. That's where I was hoping to maybe one place I was going to anchor to. It's really kind of sad, but we'll figure something out. So stick with me throughout this video and watch how I progress, okay? Wish me luck. See you soon. Alright, it's only been a couple minutes and I'm back. I took out 2 screws. These 2 here, they were sticking in through the side and here and up through this platform, and the whole thing just fell apart. So this whole thing is going in the garbage. All it is a drawer slide, really, and a couple of pieces of broken plywood on it with an old burnt out, I don't care if it's burnt out or not, it's going in the garbage. Old burnt out servo. And then I'm just gonna finish taking this mess apart. And see what I can do about clean. I mean, basically from the front it's a good looking unit. It really is. I just have to finish the back, the innards, and redo everything and get it attached to a nice skeletal foundation. So it's very interesting what people think will work, and obviously it didn't. So I'm just going to take out these 4 screws and throw everything away. So not much to see here. I got 2 of them to do. The other one's exactly the same way. This skin is all stiff and hard, and it's the wrong size. I actually got 2 new bellows, silicone rubber from Will Hoff. They're beautiful. They'll last for 100 years. I think they're even molded off the original robots, or they're pretty darn close to it. Anyway, this will all go away. And again, the wrists and the claws are nice. So I'm just going to find a way to build everything else and get it into the robot and attach it to the CSS. So that'll come later in the video, okay? More to come. Stay tuned.